Itong last part, we'll focus on yun nga, yung sinasabi namin na where can you start learning? Kasi madami tayong pwedeng avenue na pwedeng simulan. You can start searching on YouTube, on Google, di ba? How to create a website, pwede yun, di ba? And you'll realize, grabe, sobrang daming pwedeng pagsimulan. Sometimes, too much information is lalo naging confusing. Parang, I just realized, yung kapatid ko din, who is working for me now, so bago lahat sa kanya to, is already 33 years old. So nakikita ko nag-search sa YouTube. Pero, a lot of times, yung mga naaaral niya is hindi niya alam na, ay, advanced na pala yun. Ay, hindi pala applicable siya. Okay, so last part na. Where do you start learning? Kung sinasabi mo, Gab at Lester, na kailangan mag-aral, definitely will suggest online. Ito yung best source natin. Ang mahirap lang is minsan hindi natin alam kung ano yung unahin nating aralin, di ba? So, that's where we can probably help you. We can help you find the best resource na, kasi been doing this for a while, so medyo familiar na ako ano ba dapat talaga yung mga basics muna, and then ano yung mga advanced. And sa lawak nga niya, minsan, mas okay na we stay on a one lane first. For example, gusto ko talaga mag-YouTube pero ano ba yung hindi mo pa alam ngayon? Kung hindi mo pa alam lahat, medyo mahirap, pero sige, let's start with video editing siguro, or how to shoot a video using your phone, or maybe how to choose a topic sa video. So we can guide you. So talk to us and we can help you with that part. Or pwede ka rin naman na kumuha ng mga paid courses. Marami yan. Yung mga Udemy, hindi ako magbanggit ibang brand pero you'll see that online. Makikita natin sa feed natin, mga nag-offer ng mga online courses. We're planning to do online course din, pero it's a big endeavor. So may mga ano din yan. Meron din si Facebook, sariling mga courses niyan. If you wanna do digital marketing naman, si Google, meron din yan. And yung sa akin naman, yung work ko talaga, which is HubSpot. If you wanna learn marketing automation, ayan din, meron din si HubSpot na sariling academy. Sabi nga ni Gab kanina, andyan lang lahat sila eh. It's so sad na some people, iniisip nila na, wala akong alam eh. Sa ngayon, it's not an excuse anymore not to know something. Kasi everything is available online. It's just a matter of you getting it and using it. I hope na itong mga videos na gagawin namin to will spark your curiosity na, sige nga, try kong mag-aral. Ayun yung goal namin dito eh, yung end goal namin. We would be very, very happy to have someone na, hey Lester, yung napanood ko kayo, Gab, napanood ko kayo, and I started learning. That will be it. And kami, by doing this, we're learning a lot. I don't know if you noticed, meron kaming simpleng setup dito, pero this is very complex. We have 3 cameras, we have lights, we have microphones and laptops. All of this, nire-research namin. Paano ka ba talaga makapag-record sa microphone na diretso sa phone mo and sa laptop? So, ngayon, simple na lang siya kasi we learn the skill. Pero, once you started doing this, you'll realize, kaya ko rin pala. Ayun siguro yung message. Kaya nyo talaga. Kaya talaga. And I'm happy may mga sumasali na doon sa group namin. Almost 200 na yata. And we plan to grow that group however big that is. And hopefully talagang makapag-produce kami ng actual multimedia person. And I mean, both you and Justin, production team, whatever. You can dream all you want, pero it all starts with the first step, which is learning. And I guess that's it. That's it for, nakagana pa tayo katagal? I don't know. We plan to do this more often. And hopefully people can join us. I mean, we're a small channel pa, pero everything starts small, and we want to prove to you guys na eventually you grow big if you start now. So that's the key message of this video, of this podcast overall. Our final words, final thoughts. Yan, umuulan na naman, so final thoughts na tayo. Sana hindi rinig sa recording. So, I'm gonna give my final words. Parang mamamatay So, ayun. Bilang estudyante, pwede nating masabi na, ano ba yan, nag-aaral na nga sa school, aaral na naman. Parang nakakapagod naman, pero balik tayo sa sinabi namin kanina, talagang magpe-pay off siya sa bandang huli. Hindi mo man siya makita kagad ngayon kasi nung una ganun din ako, sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang wala namang patutunguhan tong mga ginagawa ko, pero ayun, nagkakilala kami ni Kuya Lester, yun at doon nagsimula yung interest ko sa mga bagay-bagay. At napatunayan ko na exciting pala mag-aral. Nung una, pagpapasok sa school, parang ang boring naman ito, aral-aral pa eh.
Tapos ngayon, mula nung pumasok ako sa multimedia group namin, talagang na-excite ako sa mga new learnings, and I think you should too, sa mga viewers, sa mga nanonood dyan. Let's be excited for new learnings kasi every new skills may be a key to a new door, to new opportunity na makakatulong para sa atin personally, sa family natin na gusto nating matulungan, at para sa future natin. So, I guess that's it. I am Eugene Hervades.
I'm Lester Caraan, and thank you. And this is
This is Justin.
see you sa next video.
So, maraming salamat mga klase. Bye. Peace.